Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, September 1st, 2023. It is 6:10 and 57 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, iconic supernova. So let's come to it here. Webb reveals new structures within iconic supernova. Date August 31st, 2023. Source: NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has begun the study of one of the most renowned supernova, SN 1987A. Supernova 1987A, located 168,000 light years away in the Large Magellanic Cloud. SN 1987A has been a target of intense observations as wavelengths ranging from gamma rays to radio for nearly 40 years. And since its discovery in February of 1987, new observations by Webb's near-infrared camera provide a crucial clue to our understanding of how a supernova develops over time to shape its remnant. The image reveals a central structure, like a keyhole. The center is packed with a clumping gas and dust ejected by the supernova explosion. The dust is so dense that even near-infrared light that Webb detects can't penetrate it, shaping the dark hole in the keyhole. A bright equatorial ring surrounds the inner keyhole, forming a band around the waist that connects two faint arms of hourglass-shaped outer rings. The equatorial ring, formed from material ejected tens of thousands of years before the supernova explosion, contains bright hotspots which appeared as the supernova's shock wave hit the ring. Now spots are found, even exterior to the ring, with diffuse emissions surrounding it. These are the locations of supernova shocks hitting more exterior material. While these structures have been observed to varying degrees by NASA's Hubble and Spicer Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory, the unparalleled sensitivity and spatial resolution of Webb revealed a new feature in the supernova remnant, small crescent-like structures. These crescents are thought to be a part of the outer layers of gas shot up from the supernova explosion. The brightening may be an indication of limb brightening, an optical phenomenon that results from viewing the expanding material in 3 dimensions. In other words, our viewing angle makes it appear that there is more material in these 2 crescents than there actually may be. The high resolution of these images is also noteworthy. Before Webb, a now retired space telescope, observed the supernova in infrared throughout its entire lifespan, yielding key data about its emissions evolved over time. However, it was never able to observe the supernova with such clarity and detail. Despite the decades of study since the supernova's initial discovery, there are several mysteries that remain, particularly surrounding the neutron star that should have been formed in the aftermath of the supernova explosion. Like Spicer, Webb will continue to observe the supernova over time. Its new infrared spectrograph and mid-infrared instruments will offer astronomers the ability to capture new, high-fidelity infrared data over time and gain new insights into the newly identified crescent structures. And furthermore, Webb will continue to collaborate with Hubble, Chandra, and other observatories to provide new insights into the past and future for this legendary supernova. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Astronomy, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, Mathematics, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.